In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a ChatGPT error or bug. Whether you're encountering issues with the ChatGPT platform or noticing glitches that need attention, it's important to know how to convey these problems effectively to the support team. Let's go through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. For this example, I'm using Google Chrome, but feel free to use any browser you prefer. Next, navigate to google.com by typing the URL into your address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, locate the search bar at the center of the screen. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press enter. You'll be presented with a list of search results related to ChatGPT. What you're looking for is the official ChatGPT website. It should be among the top results. Click on that link to be directed to the ChatGPT homepage. Once you've reached the ChatGPT website, take a look around the interface to familiarize yourself. You'll notice a menu or navigation bar, typically at the lower left of your screen. Here, you should find an option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This action should reveal a drop-down or side menu. Among the various options available, look for one labeled Help. Clicking on this will take you to the Help or Support section of the ChatGPT website. This section is crucial for addressing any issues you may encounter on the platform. Within the Help section, there should be an option that explicitly says Report Bug or something similar. Select this option to bring up the bug reporting form. Here's where you'll be detailing the issue you came across. It's essential to be precise and clear when describing the problem. In the bug report form, you will find a text box or field where you can type in the error or bug you experienced. Describe the issue as thoroughly as possible. Include steps that can help the team reproduce the error, mention the device and browser you were using, and any other relevant details. This information will assist the support team in understanding and resolving the issue more effectively. Once you have filled out the details in the form, review your input to ensure all information is accurate and complete. When you're ready, find the Send button, usually located towards the bottom of the form, and click it. By doing this, your bug report is submitted to the ChatGPT support team, who will then take action to investigate the issue. And that's it. You've successfully reported a ChatGPT error or bug. Remember, reporting issues not only helps you, but also contributes to improving the platform for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.